Guys, we're going to go in and take a look at our B4 Wave and our B4 CVD. Let's take a look at what the opportunities were today. This is just a quick video to kind of show you guys what the system is. I'm going to go back to the beginning of the session. Now I have B4 CoPilot Pro turned on here. Let me minimize this so you can see the full strategy section right there. All right. So what you're seeing, you got the trend background, which is right here. That's all part of your B4 CoPilot Pro. You'll see some horizontal lines. That's the beginning of the session open right here. That'll be a green line there, a cyan line, a red line. The cyan is your mean. Anything above the green is a breakout. Anything below the red is a breakdown. All right, let's go through, look at the other indicators. We got the B4 CVD, which is this staggered line that you see there, looking sort of like a super trend or whatever. That's it right there. Basically, it's cumulative volume delta. It's basically telling you who's in control of the market. Then we have a trend indicator, which is our B4 wave. You'll see this gray, green, gray, red line there. These dotted lines here, that's your stop loss. You'll see the bearish and the bullish. That's all coming from your CVD. I have those turned on. I have it through the chart indicators button here and through the indicators filter right here. So it's using both of these, the CVD and this trend line right here. When prices cross below both of those, you'll allow these signals to open up for automated entry, and you'll see that there's no signals here, no signals there until we get both in agreement, confluence. You're below your trend line here, and the bears are in control with your cumulative volume delta. Then it's going to allow signals to come through. You'll see these are automated order flow entry signals. We have it set up with a filter that will allow 3. We need to see at least 3 of these that I have checked off in the library here. When that happens, with the indicator filter and the chart indicators being one of those signals, it will initiate a trade. So we would have auto entered here, 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 or here, depending on when you initiated and turn that on. Then we'll see what come out here. There's no solid entry here until we get here. And boom, that would have been your entry spot there. Again, another good trade. Nice trade set up here, kept you out of the chop in the early morning open there, got you in the trending direction with the cumulative volume delta and the B4 wave on your side. Boom, order flow coming in, powerful, heavy hand participants entering the market, and you're entering with them. Nice setups there. Boom, nice setup here. That one trade right there, you should have been able to stop for the day. That'd have been enough. But it keeps on giving. Here you are here. Here you are here. And again, kept you out of all of this chop, which it's designed to do. And boom, here's your opportune moment here. Boom, entry long. Notice what the B4 wave does too. It also gives you pullback entries. Here's a nice pullback re-entry. Boom, you get in. Nice setup. Now there was one fake out here. This was a fake out here. Small loss compared to the exponential gains that you made here. Now the next area that we see up here is right here where it entered long here. These would have been nice long entries there. So boom, even though you had that one small loss, you still have very nice recovery here. Again, guys, that's this system in a nutshell. I'm going to go ahead and end here. Just wanted to go in and show you today's price action with our B4 wave and our B4 CVD. In our new B4 CoPilot Pro version 8. Thank you for your attention. Be sure to grab your Black Friday discount coupon, guys, and take advantage of Black Friday. The sales lasting now to Black Friday, so guys, be sure to take advantage of it. Thank you very much for your attention.